In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel sheet using Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first step you'll need to take is to open Google Drive. Fire up your web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. If you're already signed into your Google account, you should see your Drive interface with all your stored files and folders. Once you're in Drive, it's time to locate the Excel sheet you want to share. You might have organized your files into various folders, so take a moment to navigate through them. Look for the specific Excel file you want to share. If you remember the name, it might be easier to use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the file name directly. Once you've found the file, click once on its name to highlight and select it. This selection is crucial because it tells Google Drive which document you want to work with for sharing. Now let's move on to sharing. At the top of the Drive interface, you'll notice the Share icon. It looks like a little person with a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click that icon. This action opens up the sharing settings for your selected file. You might notice that, by default, the file is set to restricted. This means only the specific people you add will have access to it. If you want to make the document more accessible, there's an easy fix. Click the drop-down menu next to the Get Link section. Here, you can select anyone with the link. This option allows anyone who has the link to view or edit the file without needing to sign in, which is great for wider sharing. Next, we need to add the recipients. In the Provided field, you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to share the document with. You can add multiple recipients. Just separate their email addresses with commas. It's always a good idea to double-check the email addresses to ensure they're accurate before sending. Once you've added the recipients and confirmed the email addresses are correct, look for the Send button at the bottom of the Sharing Settings window. Click it, and voila! Google Drive will notify the recipients via email that they have been granted access to the Excel sheet. And just like that, you've successfully shared your Excel sheet on Google Drive. It's really that simple. If you want to revisit any of these steps, or if you have more questions on using Google Drive or sharing files, feel free to drop your comments below, and I'll be happy to help. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, sharing files and collaborating with others is a breeze with Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks, and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.